In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for English speaking, a step-by-step guide. First, align your workspace style profile so the AI speaks the kind of English you want to practice. On the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile picture. Open Settings, go to the Personalization panel, then Custom Instructions. In the Output Preference box, describe your target variant, such as act as a native English speaker, using casual conversational phrasing, or focus entirely on formal business English vocabulary. This immediately shifts the vocabulary, tone, and sentence patterns in every reply, keeping your practice aligned with your goals. Next, route your practice to the right performance tier using the model selector at the top of the chat window. Choose the instant tier when you want rapid back and forth storytelling, slang work, or quick pronunciation checks. It maintains natural conversation flow. Switch to the thinking tier for deeper grammar analysis, idiomatic nuance, sentence breakdowns, or phonetics. Now initialize the interactive vocal coach loop. Avoid vague prompts like, let's practice English, which trigger long text dumps. Hold Shift plus Enter to create a clean, multi-line roleplay prompt. Act as an encouraging native English-speaking coach and conversational partner. I want to build my spoken fluency. Before we start our conversation, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my current fluency level, my primary reason for practicing, and whether you should correct my mistakes instantly or at the very end of our chat. When the questions appear, answer them one at a time so the correction style and difficulty are set properly. With your style set, open your speaking assessment canvas. In the message box, type Canvas, create an organized English speaking progress ledger based on our conversation. Format this document into a structured table tracking target conversational topic, natural vocabulary alternatives, common grammar slip-ups, and idiomatic expressions to practice out loud. Your window will split, chat on the left, and a clean, editable tracking sheet on the right. Refine pronunciation and phrasing inline. Highlight any word or sentence in the canvas, click the floating comment bubble, and add a targeted instruction like, this phrase feels too formal for a coffee chat. Give me 3 natural idioms or slang alternatives with phonetic keys. Only that selection updates so you improve specific lines without creating long new threads. Finally, activate voice mode. Tap the microphone or voice icon, speak your replies, and ChatGPT will listen, respond with natural cadence, and adjust speed to your comfort. When you finish, your spoken session is summarized and saved. From the Canvas header, use export or download to grab your custom guide as a Word document, Markdown, or PDF for quick review before real-world conversations. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.